Hey guys, so here is number 5. So we're going to be graphing. So what we want to do is take -2, and our equation is -x plus 2. We want a number less than -2, so -3. So when we plug this in, I know there's another negative, so it'll be a -2 plus 2, which equals 4, because 2 negatives give us a positive. So -3 plus 2 is 5. 4 and -3 and 5. Open and an x. So -2, 4, -3, 5. Okay, so there's that one. Now this one, we need -2, and this is 1. I need a number greater than -2, so -1. Notice there's no x here, so all my answers here are going to be 1. So we have -2, 1, and that'll be closed, and -1, 1, x. So -2, 1, closed, -1, 1. And there you go. Okay, so here we go, 3. I need to plug 3 into one of these equations. And the way I know which one is the equal to sign, because this one has the 3. So this will be -3 plus 6, which is 3. Okay, so now we're going to plug in 2. So 2 falls in between -5 and 3. So here we go. So it'll be 2. We're going to use that one squared minus 7 times 2. Now, please be aware, PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, still applies. I got to do my exponent. So 2 times 2 is 4. And then this cleans up to 14. So this will be -8 minus 14. So the answer is -22. Okay? -5. Again, we need to fit the one that matches, and we need that equal to bar. So here we go. We're going to do our PEMDAS again. So -2 times -5 squared minus 7 times -5. So -2 times -5 is positive 25, and this becomes plus 30. So this becomes -2, so -50 plus 30 is -20. Hold on 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. So there's the final answer. Okay, so here you go. We're going to work on the slant. Again, I'm going to just use an extra sheet of paper because I tend to write really, really big. So this would be number, I'll remove that, number 6. So 7x squared plus 29x minus 25. That's an x. 2x plus 10. Okay. So first things first, before I can go find my slant asymptote, we have to factor out that bottom. We cannot have a number in front of x. So what I'm going to do is factor out a 2. So this will be x plus 5. Cross that out. So now we're going to take x plus 5, set it equal to 0, and solve. So subtract 5 over, and x equals -5. That is what I'm going to divide by. Now I'm going to pull all my coefficients off here. So 7, 29, and -25. We're going to drop it down. Okay, so here we go. You're going to multiply -5 and 7, and we're going to get -35. And then we're going to add them together, and we're going to get -6. And then we multiply again. -5 times 6. Oops, and I forgot to say, we're going to put the answer here at 30. And we get 5. Remember, I don't care about my remainder. So here we go. These become my new coefficients, and we're 1 degree less. So it'll be 7x minus 6. But we're not done. Do you remember this 2 we took here? we're going to take and divide both terms by 2. We can reduce it to be 7 over 2x, and then this reduces to 3. Okay, let's do the next one. So number 7, 2x squared minus 9x minus 15 all over 3x plus 6. Again, we can factor stuff out here, so take that out. We get x plus 2. So take x plus 2, set it equal to 0, and just solve. And we get x equals negative 2. I'm so sorry. Negative 2. So this would be 2, negative 9, and negative 15. We're going to bring this down. Okay. Multiply here, so that gives me negative 4, and put my answer here. Add straight down, we get negative 13. Multiply again, and then the answer goes here at 26, and the answer is going to be, hold on, 11. Again, we don't care about that. So y equals 2x minus 13. Remember this 3 we took out. We got to divide both of these by 3. Okay, I'll see you on the next page.